welcome back. It has been a really long time. So let me just get into what today's video is about. I'm collaborating with 3 of my friends here on YouTube. Adaline Zook, Jessica from Mrs. Davis. Hey Caden.
Hey.
And Annette from Annette's Life. They are all going to be doing like decluttering or cleaning. We are all giving you guys a bunch of motivation to kind of get the new year started, just kind of clear things out. So make sure you all head over and check out their videos when you're done watching this. I just think it's going to be a lot of fun to see what they do, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be some good motivation. Now for me personally, I'm going to be trying to declutter my whole house. That sounds like a really big feat to me, but I'm gonna try and not overthink it too much. Basically, it's gonna be more like a maintenance type of thing. I have decluttered a lot in the past already, but it's been a while since I kind of just went through things, and I decided I'm gonna try and just go through my whole house and just kind of declutter. I'm not gonna try and stress out too much, but oh, hey Jackson. I'm not going to try and stress out very much, but so I hope you all follow me along with this journey and you enjoy it. Okay, so if you guys are not familiar with the way our house is upstairs, we have sloped ceilings, and except for this wall, there is full-length attics like on both sides. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys because this is not exactly a pretty sight, but this is what our attics look like inside. It's really nice for storage, and it's deeper than you think, but yeah, I'm just gonna try and clear out some things. Now in here, I don't know how much I can actually do because some of these are like cribs I used and some shelving and stuff, and it's really cold right now, so I'm not sure that I can haul out really big stuff, but I'm gonna try and do at least a little bit. So this is what the other attic looks like in the boys' room. This one goes all the way down the back, which it's pretty dark back there, and I honestly don't have stuff back there. But in this one, I basically have anything to do with like a baby or like the boys' stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of go through it. So I think I'm gonna go through all of my books, just kind of loosely, do it really quickly. I have collected some over the years, but honestly, like, I'm not gonna read them, some of them again, and I might as well just get rid of them. Maybe I can even condense it to just like one bookcase or something, but I'm gonna try and go through some of that stuff. My very first Bible. It's like one of those Precious Moments Bibles. I think I got it, let me see, how old was I? Oh, on my 7th birthday. Definitely keeping that. This is actually where I'm keeping some of my out of season clothing, just up here in like our spare closet. So I'm gonna go through that again, and yeah, it's not a ton, but I need to go through it. So I do not keep a lot of extra sheets and stuff around. Actually, to be honest, I don't have an extra pair of sheets for like our bed even. I just always wash them and put it back on. And the sheets that I have here in the drawer are actually the top sheets from the boys' beds, like from their bedding. I'm just not using their top sheet. So that's just a flat sheet that I want to keep around. And then this is an extra pair that I'd use for Caden's bed. So I'm going to keep that around because it does come in handy to have. And then these are like a couple of extra pillowcases. here in this stack, I have some that I'm getting rid of now because I have a couple other pillowcases. Sometimes it's just nice to have some extra ones, but I'm getting rid of these old ones, plus I don't like them. This used to be an old sheet set, and I'm not going to keep it around since I have some of those over there. And then these are some crib sheets that are just kind of worn out a little bit. I mean, they could probably be used, but I'm not planning to use them in the near future anyway, so I'm going to get rid of those, donate them. And then I have a couple of table runners here. Here's I think a curtain that I'd use in the boys' room or somewhere, and 2 pillow covers, then another old blanket there. And the rest of the pile here is, I haven't sorted it, but I've got some dresses down there, some random toy stuff that we had been given that we're gonna just donate or something, and then I have an extra pillow, one of those old umbrellas, and yeah, just basically it's all gonna be donated, I think, besides maybe the curtain rod. I'm not. So it's coming along. Alright, I'm back. It's like 2 days later almost. I had to skip a day yesterday because we were gone and everything, and yeah. So I'm back at it this afternoon. Hopefully the boys will nap for me, but it's definitely taking me longer than I hoped, and I really haven't even done very much yet. But I am kind of hopeful because I feel like the upstairs is going to take me a lot longer than downstairs. Okay, so don't freak out, but this is the state of this attic here, and it's the bulk of our storage, I guess. I have a lot of home decor stuff, and then some extra like wedding gifts, or I don't have a lot of those anymore, but like glassware and stuff. Like, I do not have room to store a lot of extra dishes and stuff. Plus I have a lot of jars back there, and yeah, I just need to go through it and kind of reevaluate some things. Okay, this is really gross, but I found a bat in a box. Ah. Okay, so I'm ready to go through my home decor stuff. There's not just a lot of it, but I'm gonna quickly try and sort. Basically, I'll make a pile to donate, and then the rest I'll probably keep unless there's some items that really can't be donated even. So I bought one of those clear garment bags. I just bought it at Walmart. And I'm gonna put my wrapping paper in there and then see if I can just like hang it up in my closet. See if that'll work better for me. So I'm gonna go through my file drawer just briefly. I have some things that I need to shred, but it may wait till later. I don't want to spend just a ton of time on this. Okay, I think I'm finally done upstairs. I have like a lot of stuff I'm getting rid of, which makes me so happy. And I'm still debating about possibly getting rid of one of the bookcases. I have 2 of these. I may decide to take either this one or the one in this bedroom. There we go. So I'm not sure yet. Anyways, it's still looking a little bit of a mess, but I'm gonna show you the after here in the attic. If you remember what it looked like before. Now this still doesn't look extremely like wonderful or anything. It is a lot more empty, and I feel so good about it. I have some extra clear bins in the back that I'm going to be putting like my Christmas decor and stuff in, so it will fill up a little bit more, but I'm really, really happy with what I have left, and I can actually kind of, you know, walk through. So I'm really excited about this. This is what the attic is looking like in the boys' bedroom. It's the big long one. If you remember, there was quite a bit of stuff here, but I kind of piled all the baby stuff down there at the end. I'm sorry, it's really dark, but I have like the baby stuff over here. Then I've got some toys, and then their clothes, which I need to kind of go through again and like put in different bins and stuff. But there's another box of baby stuff as well, and then there's like cribs and mattress and stuff and whatnot over there. So pretty happy with that. Now for the embarrassing large amount of stuff that I'm getting rid of. It's embarrassing, but it's actually, it feels really good. So I'll try and show you a little bit. This is all stuff that I'm going to be donating. It's just really a variety of things. Over there, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that thing yet. It's like a bassinet or that type of thing. So I didn't use it with Jackson even, so I'm thinking I'm probably not going to use it if we have another baby. And then this is trash that I'm going to take down. So I feel really good about it. So I'm downstairs now, and I'm going to start my laundry room and like entrance and stuff, because I think that'll be one of the biggest areas probably that I'll get rid of things. Back here is actually stuff that I've had sitting here for a while to be donated already. So this is pretty much the only thing I am getting rid of. I threw a couple of food items and such away, but that is the beauty of constantly, or like keeping things to a minimum and doing it like regularly, like going through your things. So it really did not take me long at all to do the kitchen. So I'm happy about that. All right, and this is the smallish pile from our bedroom. This is pretty much all I could find that I feel like getting rid of, I think, at this point. I may add something yet, but that's not too bad. If you guys made it to the end, bravo, seriously, like that was a long journey. So I'm really excited, and I hope that it motivated you guys to just tackle whatever space. It doesn't even have to be your whole house, but you know, just somewhere that you feel like there's clutter. It just feels so good to just go through and get rid of things. And once you have things pared down, I feel like it's so easy to be able to go back through. Clutter does, you know, keep coming and stuff, but if you keep at it and just keep pushing through it and just kind of, you know, be ruthless when it comes to throwing things away or like getting rid of things. I know this video is not like a Pinterest worthy tour or like how things look in the end or anything like that. I'm just so excited to be able to get rid of all of this stuff and just have it out of my house, out of my mind, and just simplify things a lot more. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today, and if you are coming over from the other ladies' channels, welcome. I would love to have you subscribe and join my channel here. I do a lot of like home and family related. I love decorating, organizing, and yeah, I do a lot of that kind of stuff. Also some cleaning. So and yeah, if you're wondering, I'm Mennonite, in case you are new and not familiar with my channel. And yeah, I would just love to have you subscribe, and also make sure you go check out the other ladies' videos, because they will have a lot of motivation for you as well. I think they are cleaning and decluttering as well. So you can have kind of a nice variety of things to watch. So I will quit rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.